Hello. Good morning, Zoe. I'm sorry to call you so early. I just wanted to call you and let you know we have a new client. She has a meeting with you at 10 this morning. She is a very important client. She wants to make a very large order for her 5 hair salons. Okay, I will make a good presentation. Zoe, this is Brenda Kuntz. Brenda, this is Zoe Hart. It's nice to meet you. Please sit down. You look familiar. Have we met? I don't believe so. Here, I would like to show you our new line of hair care products. I can't seem to remember where I saw you. Oh well, let's get down to business. Hi, Nina. I had a meeting today with Beauty Hair Care. I bought their entire line for the salons, but something feels off. The lady who I dealt with looks so familiar. I remember now. It was the girl from the restaurant. What restaurant? The restaurant where John was staring at that girl, remember? I told you all about it. What have I done? I just did business with the girl that John was fawning over at the restaurant. Who is the girl from the restaurant that you were staring at? She is my ex. I am sorry I ruined the evening for you. I just wasn't expecting to see her, that's all. Did you know she was the owner of Beauty Hair Care on West Lee Street? Yes. Why didn't you tell me who she was? And why didn't you tell me she owned Beauty Hair Care? I just bought thousands of dollars worth of stuff from her. I feel like a fool, and it's all your fault. I'm not seeing her anymore. She's just my ex. But you were staring at her like you were still in love with her. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I don't know anything anymore. Well, she was very nice and I love her products, but she can't ever know that we dated. She didn't recognize me, so if you keep quiet, she will never know. I don't want it to become awkward with her since I want to be a long-term customer of hers. What have I gotten myself into? I just want to mow my lawn. We got the account. Brenda Kuntz bought the whole line for her salons. We need to go out and celebrate. Maybe next weekend. I am too tired to go anywhere tonight. Okay, Zoe, get some rest. Good night. Good night. I used to be so. She's the woman he left me for. But now I'm bound. Girl, you look like you've had a rough day. I met her. Met who? Her. Miss Perfect. Perfect hair, perfect body, perfect career. You're drunk. What are you talking about? I had a big client today. She bought a load of stuff for her salons. That's great. So why are you acting so weird? She is the one who John left me for. No way. Are you sure? Yes. She said I looked very familiar to her, and at first I thought she was mistaken, but then I thought about it, and I remembered a blonde lady at the restaurant leaving angrily. I didn't realize it then, but John was her date. Oh, Zoe, that's going to be so awkward with her being your client and all. I don't think she knows. She said she couldn't remember where she saw me. She seems like a nice person. I am not sure why she ran out of the restaurant like that, though. Maybe you could ask John. I think I will ask him. I am very curious now. He says he will come over to talk with me in 20 minutes. Okay, I will leave so you two can talk alone. Bye. Bye. What did you want to talk to me about? I had a client today. Her name is Brenda Kuntz. Do you know her? Yes, I know her. Why do you ask? How do you know her? Well, if you have to know, I took her out to that restaurant the other night. The night you were there with that guy. I know. I was just wondering if you would tell me the truth or if you would tell me a lie. I am happy that you told the truth. That's one thing I always liked about you, John. You never lied to me. I have a question for you. What is it? Why did Brenda leave the restaurant and leave you by yourself? Well, the truth is, I saw you with that guy, and I was so distracted I couldn't concentrate. I kept looking at you, and she got mad and left. Are you still seeing her? No, she said she didn't want to see me anymore. Does she know I am your ex? Yes, she does now. I told her today. Oh, so you are still talking to her? Well, not really. She just came over today to tell me about buying the beauty hair care line and asked me if I knew you, and I said yes. She didn't want me to say anything to you, though, because she doesn't want it to be awkward. So she knows about our past? Oh, no. John, this is so weird. I keep messing everything up for you, Zoe. I am sorry. I better go now. Don't beat yourself up over it. It's kind of funny that you were staring at me while on a date with her, and it made her mad enough to leave. He is still seeing her.